Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing what's blocking previews, purge RAM and disk cache, then stop any active renders. Next, go into Preferences and set memory so After Effects gets most RAM but reserves about 20% for the OS and background apps. This prevents swapping. Once done, enable disk cache on a fast SSD and allocate 10 to 30 GB depending on project complexity. This speeds frame read/write. Also, make sure the cache location is not a network drive, because latency there kills preview responsiveness. Once caches are healthy, attack the project. Lower preview resolution to 1/2 or 1/4 and rely on adaptive resolution so After Effects scales during interaction. Make sure to disable non-essential effects while blocking out animation, pre-render or use proxies for complex comps and collapse transformations where appropriate. If you use 3D elements, switch to Draft 3D for scrubbing. Also, temporarily disable motion blur and reduce sampling values. This gives immediate playback gains, and you can restore full quality for final renders. Finally, confirm your hardware path, update GPU drivers, then enable hardware accelerate composition, layer, and footage decoding in Preferences to offload work. Make sure your scratch and cache disks are on SSDs and close background apps that steal CPU threads. After Effects benefits from free cores and fast I/O. If you still hit preview lag, create a clean project and import comps one by one to isolate a problematic layer or effect. This incremental test often reveals corrupted footage or a specific plugin causing the slowdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.